Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoVenta. Today we're taking a look at one of the most interesting and practical small cars on the market, the 2026 Honda N-Box. This tiny Japanese K car might look compact on the outside, but it's designed to deliver surprising space, comfort, and efficiency. The N-Box has been one of the best-selling vehicles in Japan for years, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with updated styling, smart technology, and clever design that makes it perfect for city life. Starting with the design, the 2026 Honda N-Box keeps its signature boxy shape that makes it instantly recognizable. Instead of trying to look sporty or aggressive, Honda focused on practicality and friendliness. The front end features a simple but modern look with rounded headlights, a clean grille, and subtle chrome accents that give the car a premium touch despite its small size. The tall roofline is the most noticeable part of the N-Box design. It allows for incredible headroom inside while also giving the vehicle a unique personality on the road. From the side, the sliding rear doors stand out as one of the most convenient features of the car. These doors make it incredibly easy to get in and out, especially in tight parking spaces. Families, elderly passengers, and even people loading cargo will appreciate how practical these sliding doors are. The large windows also improve visibility and make the cabin feel bright and open. At the rear, the design stays simple and functional. Vertical taillights help emphasize the tall body shape, while the wide tailgate makes loading groceries, luggage, or everyday items extremely easy. Even though it's a K car, the N-Box manages to look stylish, modern, and very approachable. Moving on to performance, the 2026 Honda N-Box focuses on efficiency and smooth city driving rather than raw power. Under the hood, it typically comes with a small 660 cubic centimeters three-cylinder engine, which is standard for K cars in Japan. Despite its small size, the engine is tuned to deliver reliable performance and excellent fuel economy. Honda also offers a turbocharged version for drivers who want a little extra power during acceleration or highway driving. The N-Box is usually paired with a continuously variable transmission, which helps deliver smooth and quiet performance. The driving experience is designed to be easy and stress-free, making it perfect for daily commuting or navigating crowded city streets. Some versions also offer all-wheel drive, which can provide extra confidence when driving in rain or snow. Because of its lightweight design and efficient engine, the 2026 N-Box delivers impressive fuel economy. That means drivers can spend less time at the gas station and more time enjoying their drive. It's a practical vehicle that focuses on everyday usability rather than speed or performance numbers. Now let's step inside the interior, and this is where the Honda N-Box truly shines. Despite being a very small vehicle on the outside, the interior space is surprisingly roomy. The tall roof and smart packaging allow passengers to sit comfortably with plenty of headroom and legroom. Honda's clever design makes the cabin feel much larger than you would expect. The dashboard features a clean and modern layout with a digital display and a touchscreen infotainment system. It supports smartphone connectivity, making it easy to access navigation, music, and calls while driving. The controls are simple and easy to use, which adds to the car's practical nature. Another highlight of the interior is the flexible seating arrangement. The rear seats can fold, slide, or adjust in different ways to create more cargo space when needed. Whether you're carrying passengers, groceries, or larger items, the N-Box can adapt quickly. Honda designed the interior to be extremely versatile, which is one of the reasons this car is so popular. Comfort is also a big focus inside the cabin. Soft materials, clever storage compartments, and wide door openings make everyday driving more enjoyable. Even though it's a K car, Honda made sure the N-Box feels welcoming and practical for drivers and passengers alike. One of the most unique features of the 2026 Honda N-Box is how intelligently it uses space. Honda's engineering allows for a flat floor and a very open cabin layout, which improves comfort and flexibility. The sliding doors, tall roof, and large windows all work together to make the vehicle incredibly easy to live with. Safety is another area where the N-Box performs well. The latest model includes Honda's advanced driver assistance technologies, such as collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and parking support features. These technologies help make everyday driving safer and less stressful. Another cool feature is the extremely low step-in height, which makes entering and exiting the car much easier. This is especially helpful for children, elderly passengers, or anyone who values convenience. Honda clearly designed the N-Box with real everyday users in mind. Overall, the 2026 Honda N-Box proves that small cars can still deliver big value. It combines clever design, excellent fuel efficiency, flexible interior space, and modern technology into a compact package that works perfectly for urban life. Its friendly styling and practical features make it one of the most useful small vehicles you can buy today. If you're looking for a vehicle that prioritizes space, convenience, and efficiency without taking up too much room on the road, the 2026 Honda N-Box is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AutoVenta for more videos about the latest cars and automotive news. See you in the next video.